This morning I'm going to see how quick I can pick a HU101 ignition. Now the situation is the guy's lost his keys. He's had a new barrel put in by someone else, another locksmith company. So we're going to have a little go and see where we are with it. So I'm going to pick anything that's solid. Oh yeah, so it's missing a number 3 there. Have a little pick of the 7. Two needs picking. 6 is good. Oh, there isn't a 9 and there is no 10. So this lock has actually been put back together again with no 9, no 10 and no 3. The rest are still there. So I'm just going to keep picking as we need to. There we go. Hey presto, ignition on. Can now get the ignition out and decode the key.